Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today, we want to show very beautiful and charming looks. Everyone, you like see many others videos, see many others ideas. You will be also to sharing with many attractive designs. Our latest videos, its latest many others ideas. You will be also to sharing with you. I will always be sharing with many ideas, many videos are also good looking, good stunning design. You will be amazing and are attractive and you can see these beautiful ideas. Are you like these amazing videos? It's amazing and beautiful designs. Our latest videos, latest many others videos. Everyone you like see many others videos are most demanding and most attractive videos and the latest videos of related any decorations ideas, decorations most demanding videos. I will always be sharing with many ideas with many beautiful and charming looks. You looking gorgeous and prettiest. Another beautiful and charming looks are these attractive videos, these most charmful ideas. We will be keep sharing with you and latest designs of this video. It's all about the 200 plus everlasting Halloween's your decorations ideas. Decorations outside for Halloween's are latest and unique, full latest and most demanding and charmful, good looking, good stunning and good perfectly designs. If you guys like so perfectly and latest designs, latest more and other ideas, latest more beautiful designs, you looking gorgeous and many more another and good looking, good stunning and good perfectly videos. Our latest designs, latest most charmful ideas, you looking gorgeous and many others videos and latest designs, latest most charming good looking designs we will be keep sharing with you. I will always be sharing with many unique full ideas. Are you like these amazing design? Everyone you like see many others videos, see many others design. Are will be good looking, good stunning and good perfectly designs or most stunning full design. Most beautiful videos, you will be amazing and beautiful designs, beautiful charming ideas. We will be keep sharing with you. I will be sharing with many designs, many beautiful videos and latest designs, latest more and other videos. Are you like these amazing full and unique full design? Are you like these amazing videos? It's amazing and beautiful ideas. We will be keep sharing with you our latest designs, latest more and other ideas, more and other videos, and most charming looks. Are you like these amazing videos of you like these amazing Halloween charts like decorations related are another and most helpful and trending designs are outside yard Halloween's decorations related many others articles with many others videos you will be sharing with you. I will be sharing with most demanding and most charming looks and latest design. You will be amazing and beautiful ideas, beautiful videos. Are you like these amazing ideas? It's amazing and beautiful design. It's beautiful videos. You will be amazing and perfectly designed. It's perfectly and good looking, good stunning, and good perfectly ideas. We will be keep sharing with you. I will always be sharing with many designs, many Halloween's yard outside decorations ideas with many more and other videos. We will be keep sharing with you. Everyone you like see many others videos, see many others ideas. You will be stunning full and unique full ideas. You will be amazing and beautiful, good looking, good stunning ideas. If you guys like so interesting and most demanding and most powerful videos and latest designs, latest more and other ideas, more and other videos. Are you like these amazing ideas? Basically, our Halloween's yards decorations are authentic and most charmful and most demanding and good-looking designs. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and hit the button of all notification. Always be sharing with many another ideas with many beautiful and charming look, our latest designs, latest more another videos, more another ideas. So let's go, take care yourself. Allah Hafiz, bye bye. Bismillah.